Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with power and connection verification. Check the monitor's power LED and press its power button. If nothing lights, swap the power cable immediately. Inspect the VGA connector. Count pins, look for bent or missing pins, and reseat firmly using both thumbs. Once done, swap to a different power outlet or known good power adapter to rule out power supply issues. If the monitor shows a logo or menu, you've passed the first gate and can move to signal checks. Now isolate the video source and path. First, make sure your computer is outputting to the VGA port. Use the display switch key or operating system display settings to enable the external monitor. Then, swap the VGA cable for a spare and connect the monitor to a second computer or laptop to confirm the monitor receives a signal. If you use an adapter, inspect its connectors and any required power lead. Many passive adapters fail with certain GPUs, so try and finish by tuning settings and replacing suspect parts. Open the monitor OSD and reset to factory defaults. Make sure the input is set to VGA and not auto if that fails. On the PC, lower resolution and refresh rate to a safe value that the monitor supports, then reboot. If you still see no signal, swap in a known good monitor or try the computer on a different GPU. If only one combination fails, replace the faulty cable adapter or GPU. If problems persist, document LED patterns and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.